Startup is successful. Just installed the battery. Let's see if the wipers. I don't know. Let's see. Wow. Wow. That is so crazy, man. So a little update on the charger. I took it to the shop, the dealership, and they denied me under warranty, so I gotta fix it out of pocket. So I took it from the I took it from the dealership because they charging way too much. And I took it to a shop that I trust to fix it for a way cheaper price. Actually should have a price right now. Let's see that price right there. Yeah, so cheaper than what they was charging me, most definitely. But shit, it's been a long process with this car, man. Building a car is not easy at all. I could have went ahead and tried my luck and put the engine in myself, but I don't want to mess up nothing. But once it's fixed, it's gonna take me a while for me to start actually buying modifications for it. So until then, I'm gonna just start making videos like, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. We finally got the whip. I'm finna give y'all a little cold start real quick, cause I gotta leave out of here, so I can't really record too much. But let me give y'all a little cold start. What's the deal, y'all, man? Finally got the car back. Waited a little while. Took a long process, I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. I'm just covering just my haircut showing shit. You feel me? I look dusty. But I'm just cruising right now. I'm finna go make some stops and stuff because I can't really stop the business for 2 YouTube videos, so I gotta really try to make YouTube videos in between my business. But I'm gonna give y'all a little drive today. Motherfucker loud as hell, dog. You gonna think it's a Hellcat for real, no cap. But I'm on my way to go pick up my nephew, my beautiful nephew. And then go make some stops with him and take him back home. Ooh, damn, this motherfucker sound good, though. But yeah, man. Future videos, man. For future videos, I feel like I want to do some car meet videos, some meetups, some convoys, just get into something for real. It's gonna come sooner or later. Probably not this month, I'm not sure, but probably not this month, probably next month I'm gonna be able to do all that. Cause I'm a little busy this month, I gotta get busy this month. But for sure, these videos gonna start dropping, like, I'm telling you, it's gonna get lit on this channel, so you might as well subscribe. I'm probably gonna be your favorite YouTuber in a couple of years, or a couple of months, not even a couple of years, months, couple of weeks, and very soon. I'm finna go grab a little car wash because the car a little dirty. Then I'm gonna give y'all the before and after of the car wash. Got a little bro in the back, little baby boy. Back there playing and jump. But yeah, we finna get a car wash, man. Get a car wash because this boy dusty, bro, and it's scratched up. Get a wax, so I'm gonna just get a wash and see the difference. Or this motherfucker dirty as hell, man. Dusty. Got some scratches on this side. I'm finna see if they clean this up. Baby boy crying, but Shit, this the end results. It's a little still scuffed, but cause I ain't get no wax or nothing. I should have got a wax, but I didn't get one. I don't know why. This boy looks so clean. It look clean now. I ain't gonna lie. I got this bitch cleaned up. Put some Armor on the tires, you feel me? Put some wax on this bitch. I don't know if the wax work or not, but I put a little bit of wax on here. The tires scraped up and shit, they gotta get repainted. But you see, like, this the wax, but it's like, I don't know how that shit work. I don't know if I gotta put water on it or, I don't know. But I put some Armor on the tires. It ain't make it shine that good, cause I need all new tires. I'm finna get all new tires and shit. But this boy look clean, you feel me? I'm so serious, you feel me? Gotta get this motherfucker. Start getting this shit. Hold on. Start this one up so y'all can hear this motherfucker. Let's just draw the motherfucking skizzy. Yeah, we going to Happy, so yeah, just turn up here. You gotta slow down because these brakes is terrible.
Is it an entrance right here or I gotta go to the next one?
No, you gotta go all the way down.
I'll jump here.
Fuck it. Sound like they gonna chase us inside now.
They will. They chased that fucking Tesla. I mean, not the Tesla, but what was that car that they stole from the dealership? Yeah, that was
because that bitch didn't have its full capacity. That bitch can only go 80 miles per hour. You can unlock the power. Okay.